In this guide, you'll find some straightforward solutions to AirDrop not working on Mac. Fix 1. Make sure AirDrop is available on your Mac. Click the Finder icon in your dock. Go to the top of your screen and click Go in the menu bar. Look for AirDrop in the list. If you don't see it, your Mac probably doesn't support AirDrop. Keep in mind, AirDrop only works on Macs running OS X 10.7 or newer. Fix 2. Make sure AirDrop is enabled on the Mac. Open the Finder window on your Mac. Click the Go option in the top menu bar. From the list that appears, select AirDrop. Once you're on the AirDrop screen, look for the setting that says Allow me to be discovered by. Choose either Contacts Only or Everyone, depending on who you want to receive files from. This will make sure your Mac is visible to others and ready to receive files via AirDrop. Fix 3. Restart both devices. Sometimes a simple software hiccup can stop AirDrop from working between your iPhone and Mac. Restarting both devices can help clear out any background apps that might be causing trouble. It can also cool down your devices if they're getting too warm, and fix Just turn your iPhone and Mac off, then turn them back on. After that, check if AirDrop is working again. Fix 4. Make sure both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are enabled on Mac. To send and receive files via AirDrop, it requires both of Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to be enabled on both devices' sender and receiver. So please check and make sure you have turned on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on your Mac. If you have enabled them, please try to turn off and turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on your device and make sure you have a good network connection. Fix 5. Place the devices closer together. Even though AirDrop is supposed to work when devices are within about 30 feet, it doesn't always go smoothly. Things like walls or even household appliances, such as microwaves, can interfere with the connection. A simple fix is to shorten the distance between the two devices. The nearer they are, the more likely the transfer will work without issues. Fix 6. Check the firewall settings on your Mac. Please check if you have enabled the Block All Incoming Communications feature on Firewall. If so, you cannot share files with AirDrop, so please turn it off. To do so, please go to System Preferences, Security and Privacy, Firewall Options, and uncheck Block All Incoming Communications option here. Fix 7. Turn off Personal Hotspot. If you're using your iPhone to share internet with another device, that could interfere with AirDrop. To fix this, go to Settings, tap Personal Hotspot, and switch it off. Fix 8. Update macOS and iOS. If nothing else has worked so far, the next thing you should do is make sure your Mac and iOS devices are fully updated. Sometimes simply installing the latest software can fix connection or syncing problems. Fix 9. Transfer data from iPhone to Mac easily without AirDrop. If you're in a rush and don't have time to troubleshoot the AirDrop not working on Mac issue, there's a quick alternative. You can try Coolmuster iOS Assistant. This tool makes transferring data between your iPhone and Mac a breeze. Step 1. Start by downloading and installing Coolmuster iOS Assistant on your Mac. Once installed, start it and connect your iPhone to the Mac with a USB cable. Step 2. It will automatically detect your connected iPhone. On the left menu, you'll see a list of file types you can transfer. Step 3. Preview and select the items you want to transfer, then click Export to save them to your Mac.